Here I've got ASUS Zenfone 6 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications and go to the settings. Now scroll down, find and select System, and here you will notice Reset options. Just click on it and finally select Reset App Preferences right here. And if you really want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and permission restrictions, just click on Reset Apps. And that's it, you've just reset app preferences, but that's the first method. You can also do it the other way. Just open the settings again, so it's also through the settings, then find and pick apps and notification, go to see all apps, and then click on the more icon located in the right upper corner, select Reset App Preferences, and here you've got the same notification, and if you really want to perform this process, just click on Reset Apps. And that's it, you've just did it, so congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.